Look, I am going to be very honest to you. I do like what I see so far. One UI 6 Watch Beta has just been released for the general public to install and test. I am going to show you features that have been used by real people, so we have real data for One UI 6 Watch. It is important to mention that it is only available for the Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch Classic Bluetooth model as of right now. The LTE version is not in the lineup yet, and I believe that Verizon and AT&T have dropped out altogether out of this beta program. Please download the Galaxy Wear, Galaxy Watch 6 Manager and Samsung Health application. Everything is connected, especially with Samsung Health. The beta version of Samsung Health will give you some incredible insight of your well-being, but only works if you install all three of them, because all of that works in conjunction with each other. First off, you can see you have a bit of a redesign for your wearable app, nothing groundbreaking, but when it comes to Samsung Health, you can see that it is already slightly different here. It will tell you what you want to focus on. Overall health, for example, sleep, exercise, healthy weight. I have chosen sleep. That is important. Of course, the other stuff is important to me too, but sleep is one of the most important parts of life. We know we had this before, but now we have different options available. For example, we have double pinch. As you can see, you can toggle this on or off. When double pinch is available, it will show you an icon in the places where you can basically use this gesture. You also have shake to dismiss and knock knock, which is customizable. As you can see, it has been assigned to the assistant right here. When it comes to your workout routines, you can now customize it by different sections and different exercises, including a warm-up, a cool down, and a break, everything at your fingertips in One UI 6 Watch. Yes, battery life is something we all long for. We want better battery life, and hopefully this will be achieved. But there's a new option available in the power saving settings. So what does that mean? When you look at this picture right here, so far nothing has changed apart from the way it's been displayed. But on the bottom you can see a toggle limit health features. When we go into limit health features, you can see basically what else will be disabled to expand your battery life in the power saving settings. And here, my friends, this is the most amazing feature so far for me and hopefully for you, and that is the energy score. This is based on real data. Let's have a look. All of this is best visible in Samsung Health because you have more options available than on your Galaxy Watch itself. And let's have a look. You can see the score. The score goes from 0, which is obviously the worst, to 100, which is the best. You can see here the score is 51. Now, this is the most important chart here because it shows you all the metrics. And by the way, this is not a marketing picture. This is based on real data. It shows you all the metrics like a dashboard, what needs attention, what is good and what is excellent and what is not so good. And then we go into more details. We can see the sleep time average right here needs attention. The sleep time consistency is good. Again, you have some charts available for this, which is also great. And then you have the wake time consistency, which is also good. Nice little chart and an explanation is available. Sleep timing, also good. This part right here needs attention. You can see we're talking about previous day activity, and this is an accumulation of everything you do, including sitting, walking, exercising. But there's one word of caution right here. It is important that you set your goals. Well, it is based on your goals. So if you don't have any goals, then your previous day activity is not really up to what it should be, and it will give you maybe not the results you are looking for. So make sure your goals are correct, but also make sure that your age and weight and everything else is also correct, and I'll explain it to you later. This one right here is one of my favorite metrics. Reason being, you can live without a leg, you can live without an arm. Not nice to be in that position, but it is possible to go about your life. You cannot live without a heart. A healthy heart is so important, it trumps anything else. This is a chart that will show you a sleeping heart rate, and you can see here the sleeping heart rate is too high, and you can see there where it should be a small red line. That's where your sleeping heart rate should be. And why is it important to put your data in as it really reflects your life? Well, it is important because everything is measured by age, by female, by male, and your weight. So if you want to be like me, you want to be 25, but you're really not, then that will not work. So you have to put in your real age. And that is important, especially for the sleeping heart rate variability. That's also important. You can see this one here is excellent, but the sleeping heart rate itself needs attention. One of my favorite charts ever. And here you can break this down by time. You can see the little chart where it was high and where it was low. Maybe you had a bad dream. Maybe you just got up for the toilet to go to the toilet, whatever happened, but you can trace the night before. You guys probably know this. You can also measure your skin temperature with your Galaxy Watch, and that is also included. You also have a whole section that explains the energy score, how it is calculated, what metrics are being calculated, and how it works. I'm going to leave the changelog for you right here if you want to have a look. Let me know, that is important. Let me know what you guys are interested in seeing or knowing. Let me know in the comments below, and I will try to answer everything as good as I can. It was a pleasure today seeing you again. Peace out.